Welcome to Rugby College. My name is Sam and I'm one of the heads of department on site. I look after sport and public services and currently study inside our sports hall, which both the sport and public services students use quite frequently. So we're going to take a little look around and have a chat about the different courses that we can offer you. Hi, welcome to our gym at Rugby College. So this is used by both the students and open to the public, as is the sports hall facility. So you can see what we have in here. So we're currently all set up and we're all COVID secure in terms of screens. So in terms of curriculum offer, we offer a level 2 public services and a level 2 sport diploma. Both qualifications are a year long and allow students to progress onto level 3, both in sport and public services. Level 3 qualifications are 3 A-level equivalents and both of them are 2 years long. One of them specialising in sport, looking at things like sports coaching, sport development and sport as a business. And then the public services qualification is aimed at students who would like to progress in the public services, uniform public services such as the Army, the RAF or the police. After level 3, students can progress into the workplace or can progress onto university depending on what they want to go and do. We're going to kind of have a little look in a classroom so you can see what sort of environment students do their theory work in. Welcome to one of our classrooms. This is where our students will study the theory elements of their course. On public services, theoretical subjects include government and politics, command and control, major incidents. Students from public services would progress on to university. Some may go on to study criminology, some may move on to subjects such as disaster management, and students would also progress into the public services. Sports students study theory towards things like sports psychology, skill acquisition and sports analysis. And again, the qualification will allow them to progress to university or progress into the workplace to pursue a career in coaching. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us and hopefully we'll see you soon.